MailChimp charges $100 a month for 10,000 contacts. ConvertKit charges $119. ActiveCampaign, $174. Constant Contact, $100. And that's just for sending email. No Shiarm, no funnels, no SMS, no call tracking, just email. GoHighLevel includes a full email marketing platform, unlimited contacts, campaigns, automations, templates, analytics as part of the base plan. No extra charges, no per email fees, no surprise bills when your list grows. Today, I'm going to give you the complete email marketing masterclass inside GoHighLevel.